Hi, I'm Thelindabradley with Princess House, and today I want to show you all of the electric items that we carry in our collection. It's 2024. This is our current collection. These items have really made kitchen duties a whole lot easier. Let me just start down at this end here. So this is our mixer. What's really nice about this, first of all, it's a stand mixer. Instead of you having to hold one, it's amazing how much more work you can do when you can just set this and then go do other things. It does come with three different, what are these called? Tools, attachments. So one is a dough hook, one is for like your thinner things, or if you're doing creamed based items, and then of course the regular one. And it has a special attachment. You can just make it go down on the side. You put it on whatever speed you want. A couple things that makes it a little bit different. The bowl is 7 quarts, so it's really nice and big. It holds a whole lot. It also has the handle, which makes it super nice to be able to use in different areas. So, and this is also dishwasher safe. So after I'm done, I'll just pop it in the dishwasher. Next on the list is our cold press juicer. This was just introduced late last year, and it's been a really popular item. Basically what you do is you put your fruits in here whole, rind and everything, and you just go ahead and process. Put it in here, put it down. They're all electric. The juice comes out in this area, the pulp comes out in this area, and it's cold pressed juice. So if you research it, you're going to find out that it makes a big difference to have it cold pressed. It keeps the nutrients, which is really important. And you'll save yourself a whole lot of money than going to buy those cold pressed smoothies that you get at the different bars. All right down the line, we're going to go to our electric tea kettle. And so this is an item that it just has the element on the bottom. It can hold 7 cups of water, and the handle has all of the tools on it to turn it on, and it will cook in minutes. It stays hot, really nice and long. What I like about it too is a lot of the times if you do herbal teas, the herbal teas only want you to go to 185 degrees. Boiling is 212. So you can set this for the degree that you want. And then you can also set it to keep it warm. Again, saves you so much time because it just boils in minutes. When it comes time to blending, I have 3 different choices for you. Which one do you want? So the first one is our Immersion Blender. And I'm sure you've seen me talk about this before because this is a great workhorse for your kitchen, especially if you don't have a lot of room for the big blender. What's nice about it is it takes up a small footprint. You can keep it under the counter and bring it out for when you need it. And basically you just twist and turn, and that's how you switch from different ones. It's 4 in 1. So this one is a mini food processor. You can use this to chop nuts, which is great when you're baking. You can use it even to make small dips and things, right? It has a nice capacity. Also for celery, carrots, anything like that. To switch them, you just twist it, pull it off. That's it. The next one is going to be the masher. So obviously this is good for your mashed potatoes. It'll save your wrist and your elbow and all that work. The next one is a regular blender. And it also does come with this beaker, so you can go ahead and make smoothies. You can make homemade mayonnaise, so many recipes. And then last but not least, we have the whisk. And you can use this for eggs, pancakes, or homemade whipped cream. So this is called the 4-in-1 Immersion Blender because of all the different ways that you can use it. All right. Then we have I call this the baby blender. It's actually a portable blender, and it's perfect. It's the right size for your smoothies, and it has a special charge. You charge it on a USB, and once you charge it, it'll last for 20 different smoothies, right? 20 times that you're going to use it. And it's compact. It's perfect. You can take it with you. It has the lids that you can actually take the bottom off, put a lid on it, and then take it with you wherever you want to go. To clean these blenders, some of the easiest ways is literally just put a couple of drops of dishwasher detergent and some warm water, fill it up, and blend, and it cleans it. So we love this. This is our portable blender. And then, of course, we have the big daddy of them all, and this is our high power blender. This has been our #1 selling item since it arrived in the catalog over 5 years ago. It's amazing on so many different levels. It does have 3 pre-programmed buttons. One is for dips and spreads. I have made homemade pesto. homemade nut butters. What else? There's so many different things. And then here's one for smoothies. Obviously, it's what everybody wants. And then last but not least, soups. You can make hot soups in 7 minutes. Kind of amazing. Hot chocolate. It also comes with the temper. So sometimes you have things that are thick or sticky and you need to move them around a little bit. And that one comes with that. So this is the high power one. This is 68 ounces. So it has a nice big size that you're going to use it all of the time. Love, love, love this item. And then one of our brand new items, this is our air and surface purifier, especially with everything going around, RSV, pneumonia, the flu. This is an item that you just plug in and you forget about. It runs 24/7 and it takes the germs not only from the air, but also from the surfaces. And you can go online to our website, www.princesshouse.com, and see all of the information and all of the data of how it was tested. And then last but not least, another brand new item. This is our air fryer. And let me see if I could just show you with the light, all right? So it's a great big size, and a lot of people like it for that reason. You can use it as a regular oven. So if you're cooking something small and you don't want to turn your whole big oven on, you can just go ahead and use the air fryer. You can use it as a bake, right, as an oven. You can use it as an air fryer. You can broil, you can dehydrate. It can be used as a toaster. It does everything. And it's nice and big, and it has the trays inside, nice large baskets. You could get a second one if you want to put 2 baskets in here. And then it also has the tray. So this is another great item that Princess House brought out. What we like to do is listen to our customers and find out what items they want to use in their kitchen to help them save time, to help them save money, to help them enjoy cooking again. And so these are the electric ones. Go ahead and check out some of my other videos and you'll see some of the other collections that we have.